Hello everyone, my name is Roshni Gorathe. Today's topic name is type and scope of variables. First we see what is variables. Variable is a container which used to store values. Means for example, in our kitchen we have a container to store dal, rice, sugar, etc. Similar to that, variable is a container which store the particular data type. The variable is a named of memory location which hold the data values of particular data types. It is a combination of vary plus ables, means we can change its value. Then we can see types of variable. There are three types of variable in Java. First is a local variable, second is instance variable, and third is static variable. First we see local variable. The local variable is declared inside the body method, is called as local variable. Mm, is called as local variable. It cannot start with static. Local variable is declared inside the method body block or constructor. The initialization of local variable is mandatory before use it. Then second is instance variable. The variable which declared inside the class but outside the body is called as instance variable. The instance variable is uh, cannot start with static. The instance variable is declared inside the class but outside the method body and constructor. And the initialization of instance variable is cannot mandatory. Its default value is 0. And then third is static variable. The static variable is declared with static, is called as static variable. The static variable use your keyword static. The static variable is also called as access variable. We can create single static variable and use them all among the class instance. And then we see the scope of the variable. Scope of the variable means it is a part of program, means where the variable is accessible. Mm, in programming, variable is defined or declared inside the class, body or method. The scope of variable means accessibility and visibility of the variable. The variable is defined inside the class, body or method, not outside. The variable is parameter of constructor, method, block, etc. The variable scope is limited. That's it. Thank you.